Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Heenan. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I learned about the contributions of Bobby the Brain Heenan to professional wrestling history. Heenan refers to Bobby the Brain Heenan, a professional wrestling manager and commentator known for his wit, charisma, and villainous persona. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.